There's a 2D array that contains distances between cities. And we want to find the maximum and minimum distance between these values. So we want to find this, we are going to create two methods. One of them is going to calculate the minimum distance, and one of them is going to calculate the maximum distance. So it takes the 2D array, and we first initialize the minimum distance that we're going to return at the end to the first value in the array. And we're going to loop through the array and check each value. We're going to move on to the next one and then the next one, and each time we're going to compare it with the minimum that we initialize in the beginning. If it's smaller than the minimum, then it's going to be the new minimum. And after checking each value in the array, we're going to return the minimum distance. And in the maximum distance thing, we're going to do exactly the same thing, just we're going to find the maximum instead of the minimum. We're going to loop through the array, and we're going to compare each value to the maximum distance that we initialized in the beginning, which is the first value in the array. And if the new value that we're comparing is bigger than the maximum value in the beginning, then it's going to be the new maximum. And at the end, after checking each of the values, each of the city pairs and their values, then we're going to return the maximum distance. And then we use these methods inside the main method to calculate the maximum minimum distances between these values inside the city distances array. And then we're going to print them out. And this is going to be the output, where the minimum distance is going to be 455 and the longest is going to be 694.